Simon, here we are at a DIY build. So what's going on?
That's right. Well, like I said, I'm Simon from the Synth Shed, and we're running the DIY area for the weekend at Machina Bristronica. Right now, we've got Jolin Labs and we've got Befaco, different companies throughout the day, throughout the weekend, building a variety of different projects. I run workshops in London, and next week we're going to be building in Brighton at Thonk. So the ethos is just to bring together the synth building community, sharing skills, and really just soldering together, and as another extension of the community that we've got here.
So how did it all start?
For me, I teach music, and I'm into modular synths. I produce electronic music, and I kind of put the two things together just before lockdown, actually, of kind of doing workshops with children and building oscillators and stuff like that, and then kind of the dads of the children wanted to build stuff as it goes, and then I started to work with Thonk, who supplied me with some kits, and literally step by step, with a lot of support from the community along the way, we built a regular flow of people building, and it's growing and growing. So it's great. It's great.
So how does it work? Do people come along with their DIY kits that they've already bought, or can they buy them here?
So people have booked DIY kits online. There are definitely extra kits going. So a few people have turned up, chosen what they want to build, and have gone from there. So yeah, either way, really, it's quite open, friendly, and relaxed. Yeah.
So for this event, have manufacturers turned up with like a suitcase full of module kits, which people can kind of have a go at?
So Befaco bought a selection from their range. Jolin Labs here have got, I think they've got pretty much every module they do. So it's, people have got like the choice to choose something that's going to fit their rack and build it together. Bonus being that, you can ask questions. You've got the manufacturers here, the people that design the board. So if anything goes wrong, they're on hand to help out. So yeah, it's a nice way to do it.
And what kind of skill set do you need? Do you have to have advanced soldering skills anyway, or is that taught here?
No. So you can turn up as a complete beginner. We will teach you how to solder. It's a kind of skill. It's a very repetitive skill, and it's not the hardest thing to learn. So it's you can pick it up pretty quick. Again, to be in a community with people some people are a bit more knowledgeable about it. There's plenty of people to ask if you get stuck, and it's great fun. It's great fun.
So if someone was to want to do a kit at home, what is the basic kind of tool set that they'd need?
So you can pick up a soldering iron these days, super cheap. For probably around between 10 and 20 pounds, you can pick up a soldering iron. Some solder. We're using lead-free solder to be on the safe side, and that's literally it. I started by myself on YouTube, so there's so much information out there now to get going.
So have you got a resource website where people can learn basic techniques as well?
We've got a website where people can check out the events, which is thesynthshed.com. In terms of resources, we tend to do that at the shows themselves. So we kind of encourage people to come along and join the community and be part of the community.
Right, got you. So just to reiterate that website again?
So it's thesynthshed.com.
Brilliant. Many thanks.
Lovely. Thank you.